What do you have today, Suresh?
Okay, so this is a what is this? I forgot the name. Multiplug.
Multiplug.
Yeah. So this is they call universal as well. You can see this,
Okay.
this.
Whoa,
this,
that looks
this.
complicated.
I got this from Edwin.
What
though,
exactly
so
is that?
I didn't buy it myself. So I got this from Arkansas. Okay. So what I'm trying to do is this is the universal multi-plug when you're traveling to United States. So it's good to have this one because this helps with this kind of charging. It has this kind of the feature, and you can also just keep other one. There's a UK version. This is US version.
So plug for every country.
And this also, this also goes like this.
Whoa!
And again, once it's back, it also goes like this. This is UK. And this one is the Australian.
Wow.
This one is the United States. It works. This is the universal charger, the multi-plug.
Universal charger.
When they have
universal multi-plug.
Yeah, when they have it, Craig, it's easy for them, like a lot. I was suffering, like I have my MacBook. Apple comes from United States, right?
Yes.
But my charger wasn't really working.
Oh no!
And I was really feeling bad about that. And then so my charger was working, but I was trying to feed at the airport. I was trying to feed the hotel and everywhere else. It didn't work. I was almost.
What did you do?
I was having a really tough time. But when I went to Arkansas, Mr. Edwin just gave it.
Presented that to you.
He said,
wow.
Okay, Suresh, you can use this.
That is so great.
And so I'm still having this. And
amazing.
If anyone wants to go to, anyone's traveling to US or Australia or Canada or New Zealand, wherever,
Europe.
UK, Europe, wherever. So this is the kind of plug, multi-plug you need, okay?
Wow.
This is everywhere, Look, this.
Is it heavy?
No, it's not. And it's also very affordable. It comes, I don't know how much you paid for it, but I also saw other multi-plug just like this. It's just like a 35, some kind of like a $15 or $10, something like this. So it's very affordable. So you can find this at your hometown when you travel. Yeah.
Okay, very good. Thank you for sharing that with us today, Suresh.
You're welcome, Craig.